Duet is a dating app built for intentional connections, matching people based on shared interests and even offering blind date features, which makes it or less not personal or more personality driven and less superficial than swipe heavy apps like Tinder or Bumble. So users praise it for encouraging real life meetups. As you can see on the reviews here, real life meetups and fewer but more meaningful matches. But reviews also highlight the downsides, like a smaller user base, of course, slower pace, and safety concerns flagged in App Store comments. In short, Duet is worth trying if you want a fresh, intentional dating experience, but it is not a universal upgrade. Tinder and Bumble still win for speed, variety, and reach.